We would like to introduce you the best classic fudgy brownie, rich, chocolatey, gooey, fudgy, just like what you imagine. Alright, let's start. Watch carefully. First thing first, you have to add butter and then some sugar. More sugar. Once you're done, you can start whisking. Yes, keep on whisking. Alright. Don't over whisk. Okay. Okay. Alright. Not too much. Okay. Alright. Okay. Then you can put some eggs. Keep on whisking while putting the eggs in. Okay, once you're done with the eggs, this is the moment I've been waiting for, which is adding those premium melted chocolates into the bowl. Ooh, interesting, isn't it? Then you can start whisking. Make sure you mix well. And then last but not least, put those dry ingredients into it. Whisk carefully. And the tip says, don't over whisk. The truth is, shh, this is our secret. Keep it safe. Ta-da! This is a secret. Premix Classic Fudgy Brownies. All you need to add is butter and eggs. Then you're done. Go grab yours!